In today's video, I'm going to teach you about navigating Aliexpress and enhancing your account security using two-factor authentication. We'll take you step by step through the process to make this as seamless and straightforward as possible. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, securing your online accounts has never been more important. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Aliexpress. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in aliexpress.com. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Aliexpress is a massive online retail service based in China that is owned by the Alibaba Group. It's known for offering a wide variety of products at competitive prices. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your account's profile section. This is usually represented by an icon at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this icon and look for the Settings option in the drop-down menu. Now under Settings, you'll want to find the section labeled Personal Information. This is where you can view and edit your account's details, and it's a good habit to periodically review this information to ensure everything is up to date and secure. Under the Personal Information section, you'll see an option labeled Set Passkey. This is a crucial part of securing your account further. By setting a passkey, you enable an additional layer of security called two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Two-factor authentication is an excellent way to protect your online accounts. It combines something you know, like your password, with something you have, such as your phone, to confirm it's truly you trying to log in. To set your passkey, simply click on the Set Passkey button. You'll be prompted to create a passkey. Make sure it's something you can remember, but isn't easy for others to guess. Once you've chosen a passkey, you'll need to confirm it. A great tip here is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it as strong as possible. After setting and confirming your passkey, follow any additional prompts to activate two-factor authentication. This might involve verifying your phone number or email address, so make sure those are handy. Congratulations, you've now successfully enhanced your account security with 2FA. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making your shopping experience on Aliexpress a little bit safer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, keeping your online account secure is an ongoing process, and making these small adjustments can make a big difference. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping!